Alright, I am boarding now, so going through gate F just as expected.
Gonna jump off in Philly? I didn't pay attention. What car are we?
That's what the front of the train looks like. I'm in car 3, so let me try to see where that is. Business class, that's where I will be. Car 3. This is car 2. My seat is 9F, so let me find it. Alright, I am over here.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the Amtrak Acela service train number 2108. Going northbound to New York City and station Moynihan Train Hall. Please have all tickets out and ready for inspection. All seats on the Acela are assigned by the car number, seat number, and row. Please check your ticket. car 6 is located at the front. Please have your tickets out, ready to be scanned. Conductors will be walking the train. So once
I'm walking towards the cafe car. These are the bathrooms. I'm not going to show you inside of them because they're not very pretty. So car 4 is the cafe car. This is like the bridge between the two cars. It's very interesting. The cafe car, so you're able to order any food here, and then they have almost like a diner setup where you can sit, eat your food, and enjoy the views. So the train is very crowded today, so it's going to be difficult for me to give a seat tour. But I'm going to try to see if I can find an empty row or something to give you a better look at what that looks like. We've just passed Baltimore Penn Station, and we're on the way to Wilmington, Delaware, and the stop right after that is Philadelphia. So we're going to be there in under an hour.
Already asked 1,000 questions. There we go. Okay. Thank you so much.
So here's a look at what the menu is like. You can get breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and like they have a couple of options, mostly sandwiches, and they've got some snacks as well, and also we've got different drinks. I'm probably not going to get anything from the train just because it's like at an odd time between breakfast and dinner. So, I mean, sorry, I don't know what I'm saying, breakfast and lunch. So I'm probably just going to get lunch as soon as I land in Philadelphia. And then directly across we've got the various condiments and utensils, so knives, spoons, and forks. They're all packaged nicely in this eco-friendly wrapping. And then you've got your ketchups and mayonnaises and mustards and like jams and assorted things. So that is that section.
Camila.
Oh, it's nice to meet you.
Thank you. Thanks for riding 2108.
Thank you. Camila's so nice. Alright, I'm just walking through a bit more. Oh, this bathroom is open. So this is what the Amtrak bathroom looks like. It's almost exactly like an airplane bathroom, except a little bit more spacious, I would say. Oh, alright. Now we're just in another business class compartment. There's no one sitting in this row, so let me show you what the seating is like. It's essentially the same as a normal Amtrak train. The only difference is that you have an overhead storage bin similar to an airplane. And this is what the seats look like. You have the ability to recline by pushing this button, and then the seat goes back like that, you see. Yeah. Goes back a little bit. And this is what the tray tables look like. So you can pull up. Hold on. Pull it up and pull it down. And then you get this entire tray table. Push it down. And then down here we have a footrest. So that pushes down. But yeah, that is essentially the seat tour with curtains. So according to Camila, first class is exactly the same as business class. The only difference is they give you a complimentary meal. So let's head over there and see if we're able to get in. I mean, since it's the same, I don't actually think it's worth going over there. The seating is exactly the same. The seats themselves are the same. Quite literally, the only difference is that they just get food from this cafe car. Okay, so I'm currently sitting at one of the booths in the cafe car. So the booth seating, as I showed you earlier, Credit to Philly will be there in about maybe 40 minutes, so not too much time left. Like I mentioned earlier, business and first class are the same. With first class, we just get some more food. And the other thing I did want to touch on is that the cafe car is car 4, which is the center of the train. So I was sitting in car 3. That's where my seat is. So it's like right adjacent to the cafe car. It's very convenient not having All right, I am in Philadelphia now, but they have a ton of scaffolding everywhere. It looks like they're doing some renovations. That's crazy. So yeah, anyway, I'm in the Philadelphia station. I'll probably do a tour on the way back since I'll be spending more time here. But I'm gonna try to go to my hotel and just get situated and get some work done. But I'll give you a very brief station tour right now. They just have food options similar to Union Station, but obviously this is a much smaller station since it's only Amtrak and SEPTA, which is Philadelphia's metro. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna start to figure out how to head to my hotel.